Today we're going to be doing something really yummy, and these are my dairy-free, extra dark chocolate cupcakes. So let's get on with the ingredients. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So into a large bowl, I'm going to sift my all-purpose flour, my cocoa powder, just get all of that in there. With the back of a spoon, just push any of the little bitties right through the sieve. That's good. And then I'll take our granulated sugar right in, our baking powder, and our little bit of salt. I'll grab my mixer. I'm just going to mix this around a little bit. I'm going to grab my water, and this water came right out of my kitchen tap, so it's a little bit colder than room temperature, but it's not ice cold, so we'll just get that in there now. Get my mixer going again, and get that right in. Our little bit of vanilla. And our last ingredient, our vegetable oil. And you can use canola oil if you wish as well. And now I'm just going to get all of this mixed up. Really simple, fast recipe today. Once it's nicely mixed, we are ready to fill our cupcake molds. So I do have my oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and that is ready to go. Always preheat your oven before you put any baked good into your oven. And now I'm just going to start filling these up. Okay, that looks good, just like that. So this recipe makes 10 at this size. If you want 12, if you absolutely need 12, then you can do your 12, but they're going to be a little bit smaller. So at this point, we're ready to pop these in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be back soon. So here we are again. I baked my cupcakes for exactly 25 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. So at this point, my cupcakes have completely cooled, and so we're going to break into one, and I'm going to show you how nice these are. 100% dairy-free. And check this out. Look at this. Look at how moist this is. Just falls apart. Isn't that nice? Of course, I'm going to have to try a little piece. Really good. Just melts in your mouth. You would never guess that these are dairy-free. No milk, no eggs, no butter. I hope you try this recipe out. That's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Oh, that's really good.